Our Certificate 3 in Carpentry program offers a blend of hands-on experience and practical skills, which is crucial for a successful career in carpentry, which makes our program unique. Our campus features modern workshops equipped with the latest tools and technology. Students have access to a fully equipped workspace where they can develop and refine their skills, supported by a range of high-quality materials.
This program has been incredibly valuable for my growth as a carpenter. The hands-on projects we work on simulate real-world challenges, which has been essential for building my confidence and skills. I've learned how to handle different materials and techniques, which has prepared me for a variety of carpentry tasks. The support from instructor and access to modern tools have made a significant difference.
The hands-on approach of this program is outstanding. I've gained practical experience by working on detailed projects that challenge my skills and creativity. The advanced facilities and equipment have given me the chance to work with the latest tools, which has been incredibly beneficial. The instructors are knowledgeable and provide valuable feedback, helping me to improve continuously and gain a solid foundation in carpentry.
At Lead College, we focus on practical training with real-world applications. Our students use industry-standard equipment and receive personalized guidance, ensuring they are well prepared for their careers. We aim to provide a comprehensive learning experience that covers all aspects of carpentry, from basic techniques to advanced projects.
The curriculum is comprehensive, covering everything from fundamental skills to more advanced techniques. Working on actual carpentry projects has allowed me to apply what I've learned in a practical setting, which has been crucial for my development. The supportive learning environment, coupled with the access to excellent resources, has truly prepared me for a successful career in carpentry.
We are dedicated to offering the highest standard of training and support. This program at our college is crafted to ensure that our students are well equipped for their careers. We are proud of our facilities and resources we provide and are committed to helping every student to achieve their full potential.